street with a house in which she stayed. And my stories full of your name on every page. Cause I read to make you fall in love.
So you guys, today it is, wait, I'm looking for my remotes. Right, so today it is Monday. I'm leaving in like 6 days, but I know myself. I need a lot of time when I prepare for vacation. So right now I'm just picking all the jewelry that I need. So I'm gonna put all my jewelry that I need, especially like earrings and whatnot. I want to put it away or pack it in one place. So I'm going to color coordinate everything now. So I'm going to have like different colors. Like I have your blue, your green, your pink, your yellow, I don't have orange. Okay, I do have orange, but I have like, you know, like a good mix of colors basically. But also I want to make sure that I understand the kind of jewelry I want to pack, and I also have everything sorted out so that I know by the time I put everything together it just makes sense, because I am not going to have time to do all of that I'm not gonna have time to do all of that as the week proceeds. So I know I'm just putting everything together, but I want to be sure, you know, that's how my mind works. So I'm gonna close this and then I'm gonna put this here. So I only wore it once. So let me show you guys how I plan an outfit when I travel. Right, so okay, this is a very gorgeous, stunning swimwear. You know, I got this from H&M long time ago, like 3 years ago. So as you guys can see here, it has this detailing, which I really like. So what I will do when I accessorize, I will choose an earring that matches. So I'm most likely going to go for these earrings. If I feel like I want to be bougie a bit, I can choose these ones. They'll still work. And for my cover up, this is what I will put on. So I wanted to buy like a brown swimwear, but it went like it got sold out before I could check out. So I decided, you know what, I already have this one, it'll still work out, it's fine, no train smash. So this would be my first swim outfit, or my first bikini outfit with the accessories. So I know that this is sorted out. And also for those who might be wondering, I got all my things from Shein. Oh, and I also got a few things from Zara, but mostly Shein, because guys, it makes sense for me to do that. Okay, so I'm also gonna add this bracelets here, and these I'm gonna do like braids. So I'm gonna put these on my braids. I'm gonna bring them along with me when I travel so I can see if I like them. Okay, so for the day where I wear these colors, so for each day I have like a color coordination going on. This is the two-piece that I'm most likely going to wear with this bikini, like on the day where I wear this bikini. Again, neutral colors. The reason why I want to do that is because I do not want to worry about accessories. Like for each color, I want it to be like you know, like a color coordinated outfit. I want it to be very simple and straightforward, because I'm planning on putting my outfits in one bag. Like for example, I'm just gonna make an example for you guys to see. If this is for one day, like I know this is for the beach club, and yeah, this is the outfit for the beach club, then this is how I'm gonna pack it. Then I know when I travel, I just take this out. This is what I'm gonna be wearing on that day with the accessories inside, the shades, the earrings, you know, the shoes. The shoes, I'm not gonna carry a lot of shoes. I'm just gonna carry like maybe 3, 4, 5 pairs. Okay, that's a lot. But just to give you guys an idea, so this is outfit number 1. It's done. Understand? So now I'm going to quickly do a time lapse, and then we are going to move on to the other outfits. Okay, guys, I honestly feel like this is a lot, but I know it's just 7 days, but obviously I need to create content, you know, for each day. It's going to be a different setting, a different scenario, you know, all the jazz. So I'm going to put my undies here, just some panties. I'm not gonna bring a lot of panties anyway. And I'm only gonna bring this one bralettes. I'm gonna put these there. Neutrals, good. These are literally the only undies I'm gonna pack. Okay. Right, so currently I am done packing all my major things, you know, like I think I'm happy with this. I know it's still Monday. Oh my god, it's so late now. I know it's still Monday, like I have the whole week. But you guys, it took me 3 hours to just have an idea, even though I knew in my head it was okay, I'm gonna match this and that, I'm gonna pack this, I'm gonna take that. So basically for my trip, it's sponsored by, okay, that's a big word. It is going to, my flights are going to be reimbursed by the school. So the only thing that I'm basically paying for are my domestic flights, alangia corner, as well as my hotel, you know, food, entertainment. That's on me. And luckily, that country is not even expensive, so that should be fine. It's not gonna break my budget. It's not gonna break my, you know, plans, financial plans and goals. But in gym, if flights is gone, so that's why I had to. But obviously I had to pay for it up front, which is kind of a bummer. But at least ngiyazi ukuthi imali izobuya yabo. So by the time ibuya, ngiyazi ukuthi okay, it will go straight to my savings, you know, as it should have. Initially I had thought I was going to travel around Taiwan and just rest. I didn't want to travel much or waste money or, you know, spend a lot of money. But we are here. Why not? And also because my coordinator really pushed me to go. She was like, there's no way you are going to waste flights because the school is going to reimburse me. So right now it is 20 past minutes. I'm so tired. Right now it's 20 minutes past 10. I'm going to just finish tidying up here, and then I'm going to get ready for bed because I still have to go to work tomorrow, and then I'm going to call it a night. So I will see you guys as the week proceeds. So this is basically going to be like a weekly vlog, preparation vlog type of thing. So I'll see you guys on Thursday when we go do our health check and when we start braiding our hair. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today it is, what's today? Oh my god, Thursday. Today's Thursday, so I'm finally and officially on leave. But today I have to go do my medical check for my new work permits, So each time you renew your contract, you have to do a new work permit. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then when I come back, I am going to braid my hair. Okay, so this is the bag I'm going to carry. So I am going to pack my passport just in case, my wallet. Inside here I have my ARC card. I also have my health insurance card, which is like medical aid there, Lana. I'm gonna definitely carry my headphones, and I'm gonna carry some tissue paper in case I need it. And then here, this is basically a paper that has like my school's address and what I'm there for. So I'm going to give them this paper in case nobody understands what I mean when I speak in English. So I'm going to go past the ATM and withdraw some money so that I can pay. Obviously I have to pay for the medicals, right? So I want to show you guys a quick I need to sort out this closet when I come back. So I want to show you guys my quick OOTD. I cannot wait to buy my mirror. This is the ghetto, but it works for now. I mean, it doesn't matter. You guys are family anyway. So I'm just wearing my sneakers. I'm wearing these jeans I got from Zara. These were very cheap. I think I got these for like 150 rands. Yeah. Okay, I really love my outfits. I think it's very cool, but I'm not sure about these jeans. I just wish I took a size smaller. This I had to search because I took a bigger size and then I had to search for this size. Now I feel like I should have taken a smaller size. So I am done. I'm about to leave and head back to the apartment.
We could be in love if we keep dating. Baby, I could beat it up. I can catch the fade with it. Take the mask off, I can put my face in it. We only got a trip, we can vacation.
I'm going to insert an inspo picture on the screen, and I'm gonna come back when I'm about halfway through it so you guys can see how fast it might take for me to finish. Oh, I'm finna copyrighted. Okay, so I'm done braiding my hair. The size is what I wanted initially, and yeah, so I was trying to figure out this baby hair shandis ntontoni. I do not know how it works, but I will figure it out. I will have to watch a few tutorials because I did leave out some hair and stuff. So yeah, I like my hair. It's very long, very long. It took me around 5 hours to braid my hair, so I'm quite happy with the results and love the hair. It looks good. I think you got but I've got to make it work. Woo, anyway, let me just catch up on some YouTube, and I'm about to head out, go grab something to eat, come back, chill, you know, and just enjoy the rest of my day. No, I am lying. I'm gonna go out to get something to drink because I think I will just prepare something to eat. I do have food in the house. I've been eating out over the past 2 weeks, and that's not good, but also because guys, groceries are so expensive here in Taiwan. Groceries are expensive, so I have to initially I thought I would buy some meat before I leave so that when I come back, because I'm gonna be on a 3-day quarantine, so that when I come back I can have some food to cook in the house. And then I realized you know what, I'll see, I'll cross that bridge when it comes. Right now but I wonder if I have to worry about that right now. Ooh, yang Dora Shem.
You can't even drink Cristal on this one. Holla.